Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the winning coach, Coach Renzi Bahar, and best player of the game, Joshua Monzon. Coach Renzi, nabanggit nyo, matagal nyong hinintay yung ganitong pagkakataon para sa Northport. And in this must-win game, yung effort hindi na lang nanggaling sa key players, but also from your bench. Gaano kahalaga yung ganong depth and contribution as you move forward?
Yes, no. Before, we would like to thank the Lord for this game. So, yun lang. Kagaya na nabanggit mo nga is sabi nga ni Coach Bonnie sa team is saluhin namin lagi ng dalawang kamay yung binibigay na panalo para sa amin. Kasi for the longest time, this is I think na hopefully maka-end up kami for number 1 or number 2 spot after this elimination. So yun lang, yesterday on our practice, the coaches, especially Coach Bonnie, reminding the team that we need to finish strong on the elimination round. Plus, syempre, the players coming off the bench, kagaya nung nabanggit ko nga kanina sa interview, is we need them going to the playoffs because yung contributions nila going to the playoffs is very important. Especially today's game, we have a lot of the bench players that step up, like Alain Bonalani, okay, Will Navarro. So, yun lang. We need those guys.
Thank you, Coach. Joshua, in a must-win game for your team, you delivered 21 points, 5 assists, and an efficient 7 out of 11 shooting. How were you able to step up under the pressure and lead your team to this crucial victory?
Just wanted to come out, finish strong. We've been working hard all year, and we didn't want to have a letdown coming in today and going into the playoffs. So, just wanted to bring the intensity on defense, and then go out and finish strong today, and we did that. So, happy with the results, and we're just going to try and take that into the playoffs.